I'm WSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. Well, another yellow weather alert Thursday. We have some storms pushing through, and then we have strong winds all day. So between the two, we think a yellow weather alert is warranted. All right, let's talk about the weekend before we get to the yellow weather alert. Everybody's talking about the weekend. Here's the deal. Saturday looks fine, just chilly, upper 50s, that's it. Sunday, some late showers, temperatures low to mid 60s, maybe not quite as chilly, but still more like March than April. So Easter Sunday, we're looking at some showers, certainly by evening, maybe late afternoon. Okay, so yellow weather alert Thursday for storms and gusty winds. The storm window, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., winds are going to gust over 40 pretty much all day, and then blustery on Good Friday with a stray shower. We're going to hold in the 50s. A little bit of snow in the mountains. How about that? All right, yellow weather alert. What are the impacts? Well, in terms of being wet for walks, if you just walk outside that 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. window, you're going to be fine. But windy for walks, it's going to be high impact. It'll be kind of annoying with the wind in your ears. Power outages low, but on the table. And one of the main impacts, really, strong winds will kick up the pollen. It's going to be high pollen. So if you are an allergy sufferer, you're not going to enjoy Thursday. Look at these storms along I-81. Look at the reds. Even a little bit of rotation around Luray. That is at 6 a.m. Temperatures in the 50s to around 60 downtown. They roll through. By the time we get to 8:30, that line is gone and mainly kind of buffeting the southern part of the viewing area. Temperatures still 8:30, 9 o'clock. 57 in Hagerstown, 60 downtown. Pretty mild night. By the time we get into, say, 1 o'clock, we have some more showers popping. Temperatures in the upper 60s. But after that, we're okay. The wind's picking up. Temperature 66 downtown, 57 in Hagerstown. And we'll advance this again. We're looking at temperatures by evening in the 40s west of the divide. All right, this is wind. These are wind gusts. Early in the morning, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, winds are gusting to 43 up to the north in Westminster, but 36-mile-per-hour wind gusts downtown. Look what happens. By the time we get into, say, 1:30, winds are gusting to 41, 42 miles per hour along I-81. There's not a wind advisory yet. By 3:15, winds are gusting over 40 just about everywhere, even down to Fredericksburg, winds gusting to 34 miles an hour. And then we get into, say, the evening, not as bad. The core of winds move northeastward, but still, winds are gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour. Even into the night on Thursday, winds are still gusting almost to 30 miles an hour. And so, even overnight on Friday, into Friday morning, winds are still gusting 30, 35 miles an hour. So, tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, mild temperatures in the 50s. We're going to keep it dry tonight. So, yellow weather alert on Thursday. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 60s, and then we're looking at, again, some showers and storms possible. And then on Friday, upper 50s, maybe a stray shower. Chilly on Saturday, not quite as bad for Easter Sunday, but again, some showers coming in. Briefly warmer Monday with showers in the morning, and then cool again next Tuesday and Wednesday.